Okay. So in the last class, I have told you about the video upload part on YouTube, right? But we have been left with some things. So I'm just going to share my screen to let me know. Is it visible to all?
Yes, ma'am,
Yes,
it is.
yes,
Please.
Perfect. Done. So basically, what happens when we are creating a new channel, we have to upload videos. And if you have not completely published that video, you can watch out your videos under the video section, but in the draft. And you can simply just click on this edit draft button and you can edit your drafts anytime before publishing. Okay, so in the last class, I'm just giving a quick review about the previous session. Like in the last class, we have covered what is the use of title. Under title, we have to stuff all those keywords that will ultimately help you to rank your video. Like by using of this straight slash, you will be able to add like more than one keywords in it, like up to 3 or 4 keywords you can stuff with the help of this straight slash in between, right? And the description part, like you can take it from ChatGPT. Specify, you have to specify all the main things about the video. Right now we have taken the example of 3 week summer boot camp, so for that reason we have to specify the duration, mode, organized by, and the training partner as well. Then next we have the boot camp, tools and the strategies that we're going to discuss in these 3 weeks. We have to specify that. And the main thing that I have told you, don't forget to add this line like for the comment and subscribe for more updates, and below that you must add your call to actions, like where you want your audience to come and connect with you. Basically, it can be your phone number, your Gmail ID, or your website, or your other links or anything, right? Then I've told you like you have to step the best hashtags. If you feel like these kind of keywords will help to rank this video, you have to add in these hashtags. And the main thing that you always keep in your mind, basically whenever you are putting hashtags on any social media, always try to add one social media related to your brand. Your brand name should also be included in the hashtag. Like if I'm talking about the channel like Tech Skills Academy, I have taken the example, so I always have to add hashtag Tech Skills Academy in every video, whether it's related to any subject or anything. If I am uploading that particular video or shorts in that particular channel or accounts, so I always try to keep one hashtag related to the brand name as well. So we have to do this. Like here I have added hashtag digital dronacharya, hashtag msm india, right? Then we have thumbnail. I've already told you like you can design it from Canva, or either you can take any of the part from the video, but don't do this. Always try to create thumbnail from Canva, and the best thumbnail you should create, because it is the main thing that will make your audience enough crazy just to open your video. So this is something that should be good. Then we have covered playlist. You always have to create a playlist if you are going to upload a series or the parts of that particular video. Then I've told you like you don't need to set this video for like made for kids. The videos that is only just for the kids should be edited, right? And one thing that I forgot to tell you, that if you are going to click any video, like yes it's made for kids, then what happens actually, comment will be off. You can see if you will come to any YouTube channel related to kids. Just wait. See, I'm opening any of kids channel on YouTube. So basically, this is the limit. If you are putting any video, like yes, it's made for kids, like people can't comment. Basically, the video and the channel like is related for the kids. So for that reason, See, this is the channel that is related for the kids stories and learnings. So this is, see here you can see comments are turned off. So this is the reason, it is restricted to the kids channel or the kids video. Like people can't comment because you all know comments can include the stickers and the GIFs. So it can be the reason, like it's off, like it's turned off from the backend. Like if you are putting your videos, like it's, yes, it's made for kids, then comments are turned off just to keep it more safe to children's, basically to kids. So this is the main thing. So you can't see this. And one more thing, like no ads will be there in this, and if there will be ads, but it will be related to kids only. So this is the main thing. So for that reason you have to always keep no, it's not made for kids, but if the content is not for kids. Then we have show more option. Once you will click on it, paid promotion option is there. If your content includes any kind of paid promotion, you always have to accept this. Then we have altered content, like you have taken any real content of real person and you have taken that content. So you can just give a disclosure to your video, like it's been taken by the consent, or it's taken just for the entertainment purpose. It's not for hurting any sentiments or something. So this kind of disclosure you can give click on this by clicking on this yes button. Then we have automatic chapters. Again, this I have already discussed, repeating the same because it was too fast at the last class, at the end, basically. So that's why I'm taking it in the repetition just to have a quick revision. See, if you are opening any of, it's not given in this video, I have to take a new one. Again, it's not included. The video we have watched yesterday, it includes, again it's not included, but I hope you all understand because we have covered this thing in the last class, right? When create AI faceless video will not be generated, processing only. You have to refresh this. Yes, Gaurav. Actually, in the last class, basically we have covered only details part. Now, in today's class, we'll complete video elements, checks in the visibility. Then we'll press on next button, and this is how we'll complete YouTube in just coming 20 minutes. And for the rest of the class, we will cover AI, fundamentals of AI. Basically, again, AI tool will be there. So automatic chapters are something like you can create something in suggestions and it been automatically created related to the topic that you have covered, related to time. Featured places were there. Then we have automatic concept. This is the main thing that I have told you. Like you always have to add proper keywords under the tag section. Then we have language or something. We have covered all these things. So I'm just repeating. I'm not repeating. I'm just clicking on the next button. Now what happens? Now here you can see three options are there. First one is add subtitles. Like if you want your video should include such kind of subtitles. Right now I'm just deleting the subtitles that's already been added. Now I'm clicking on this add button. Once you will click on add button, here timeline will be visible to you. If you want to upload any file, like if you have any word file or something where all the subtitles have already written, so you can just simply upload this file and it will automatically be adjusted. Then we have auto sync option, but this is not available because your audio should have that original language and most of the language will be English. So if your language, video language is in English, then audio sync can work. Then last option we have is a type manually. Like you can still type your subtitles here by timing. like from 0 to how many seconds this subtitle should be there. So this is how you can type, and under the timeline you can see, and you just need to click on done button. For example, here we have, so here you can see this is visible to all, I guess, right? So this is how you can watch out your subtitles side by side, and you can add as many caption as you can manually basically. So it can be click on done button, and this is how you can add your subtitles manually. Even you can upload a file, or you can click on auto sync, but it will work only if your video contains any language, right? Then second we have is end screen, promote related content at the end of the video. Right now it's not available to me because the video length should be 25 seconds. The video I have taken is not like more than, I guess, 3 seconds or something. So video should have 25 seconds or longer. Then I can only add the end screen. Actually, what is an end screen is I am taking, like, it's been included by them. Yeah. So this is the end screen. It will appear in few minutes, like where people can have some other videos links. So this is the end screen. Here you can see other video link with the thumbnail, with the title, and other link is also there, and here the link of channel is there. So this is something that can be added with the help of end screen. Once you will click on add button, you will be able to see a proper layout will be there. Like right now they have taken the layout in which in the left, at the left side there is one video link, then right again there is one video link, and in middle there is logos link. There will be a lot of layouts, like you can take one video at the left bottom, or one video at the top left, and logo should be at the right corner or something. So this kind of layouts will be there. You have to select any of these, and you have to choose which video you want to be appear at the left bottom or the top left or something. So this is how you can select. It will be choice to you. Like you can select specific video at the end screen, like two video, one channel link, or the one video or channel link. So the all kind of layouts will be there. You have to just click on add button, and you have to select which video you want to appear at the end screen. So this is something that I have shown you. Then next is add cards. Once you will click on add cards, what it means basically, like already have taken this. Uh, in between the video, basically at the specific point, you just want to show like watch out my previous video. If you have not watched my previous video, then I'm giving the link here. So this is the script that like people can speak in between, just to take their audience to their previous video. But for that they have to add that video as well. Like here is the option to add the video, here is the option to add a proper playlist in which all the parts and series will be visible, and the channel as well. For example, in my channel I'm promoting someone's channel, so I can give a brief, like if you have not gone to my personal channel, then I'm giving a link here as well. So this is how basically I can shift my audience to some other account as well if I have to, or even I want to take my audience to my friend's channel or something. So these three options are available. For example, I'm just going to add any video. So this is something, search your videos. From my own channel I can add any of the videos. If I want to add search video from other channel, for example, I just want to take a video of WS Cube Tech, so I can open any of the channel, and this is the videos coming from WS Cube Tag channel only. For example, I want to attach what is SEO and how does it work. So I need to just click on it, and here you can see the video link sheet will be there, and I have to specify the seconds, like at how many seconds it will appear. Where have, if I have already told in the script, like you can watch out my previous video, or you can watch out WS Cube Text video. Here I'm giving the link. So this is how I can check out the timings, and accordingly I need to show this card. So this is the card that is known as, and this is the end screen. And here you can give the video that the sorry text that should be in there. So it's been taken from the title, and here you can give a custom message. uh, Open this for more info. For example, I'm just taking this content right now. So this is the custom message that I want. And this, there is a one more option, that is teaser text. Teaser text is something that should appear before it. Click now. For example, I've taken this, click now. Now how it will appear, once you will click on teaser text, here you can see teaser text is something that will be shown to people. Here, if I'm choosing teaser text, only teaser text will be visible to viewers. This title will not be visible, right? And once you will click on it, you can see the video link should be there, right? And from whose channel it's being showing. So this is something. And here you can see the custom message is there. Open this for more info. This is the custom message that will be visible. And I can simply just click on save button, save the timings and something. Just wait, I have to put my laptop on charge. Just wait for 2 minutes. See, so this is how we can add subtitles, end screen, and add cards. Now tell me, these 3 points are clear to everyone? Each point is clear to everyone?
Yes.
Perfect.
Yes.
Now moving ahead. So once you will click on next button, then you will be able to see one option, that is checks. And it's been recently added. If I'm talking about like 2 to 3 years back, this option is not there. Like it's been upgraded. Like you can check the copyright issues. You have uploaded all your content, and right here you can see, is there any copyright or something. If it will be founded, like it will shown to you, like there is a copyright in music. And then again you will be able to see three options for it before uploading. If you don't want to edit it again, right, so you will be able to see one option, like you want to directly delete that part where copyright is, so you can just simply delete that part. You want that part should be mute, then that option will be there for you. And the second option is that music can be changed, but the music that is available to you from the audio library only. From the audio library you can only have the English musics or tunes for that. So all three options will be there for you. If there will be any copyright, you can simply trim that video, remove that part, or you can simply mute that part, or you can simply change that music if there is any copyright. So this is the best thing that I feel that is given in YouTube finally. Like people faced a lot of problems for this. They just need to publish it and they have to check, like is there any copyright or something. But this is the best option that has been given here in the third section, that is checks. If there is any copyright or something, that will be visible to you, and you have the opportunity to fix the issues before publishing your video. So this is the best thing. Now no copyright issues. Now you have to click on next button. Here you can see one option is given, save or publish. Now we have three options. What it means basically, first one is private. If you are going to upload it privately, which means only you and the people you choose can watch your video. I just want to upload this video for the participants of this 3 week summer boot camp only. I don't want it to publish to whole. So basically I just want to share it to you people and for me only. So I have to click on private. I don't want it to be published publicly, so I have to add the person's name. I have to add the email addresses. Only they can watch and only me can watch. They will be notified via the email. And I have to write, if I have one, you know word file where all of your emails are there, I can just copy and can paste and can click on done button, so only you people and me can watch. Unlisted is the one where anyone with the video link can watch your video. Unlisted is something like if people coming on my channel, they can't watch this video, but if I'm sharing that person a link, because that link is visible to me only, none of you can watch that video. So that link is visible to me, I can share that link. If I'm sharing that link to anyone, only then they can watch that video. So unlisted includes the link, something like you have to share the link, only they can watch. Then we have public. If I'm setting this for public, every can watch your video, they can just simply come to your channel and can watch. But one option is also there, that is set as instant premiere. What it means, when you set your video as an instant premiere, you and your viewers can watch it together at the same time. Like you can have watch at your video at the same time. If your setting is at an instant premiere, if I'm clicking on it, learn more option, that will be visible to you. YouTubers premieres let you and your viewers watch and experience a new video together in real time. So this is something when you are giving it in a like kind of live streaming or something, then you can set as an instant premiere. All these steps are given to you before your premiere starts. Like eventually, this is how like premieres in how many seconds it can be visible, and people can connect and something. So this is something you and the people can watch it together. And during your premiere, if the premiere was set to start at, like you have to set the time, like in 12 p.m. the countdown will start something. So this option is being used by the people who are going to start any event or any kind of webinar or kind of countdown can be there. If I'm adding the countdown on every social media platform, like at 6 o'clock, at 6 p.m. you can watch this video on my account. So this is something that I've already taken as an countdown to all audience. So this can be set as premiere, where I and the audience can watch it together, and it can be set as something like a countdown, like it will start in 36 minutes, 35 minutes, 34 minutes, countdown will be there, right? So this is something that is related to instant premiere. Then we have schedule option. Once you will click on this schedule option, then you can schedule this. Like you don't want to publish it right now, but you want to publish at it 12 p.m. For, just take an example. So you can schedule the date and the time as well. And one option is also there. Video will be private before publishing. If you want to set this, a public watch page will be created. It will show a countdown to this date. So basically, what if you are setting set as premiere, so what it means, for example, I'm not going to publish it on 29, I'm just taking it to the 30th June, like, and I'm getting it this schedule. So you will able to watch a page where countdown will be there, just to till this date. And how you can set this premiere, once you will click on it, so all these countdown themes are there. If you want to have such kind of dramatic video is going to be uploaded, so this is the theme. And countdown length is 2 minutes. It's how many minutes basically. If you can set this, and you can just simply get it scheduled, right? Now tell me, is it clear to everyone how unlisted again? Okay, Sneha, repeating the unlisted part again. Actually, what happens if I'm going to click on anyone and getting it saved? So what it means, it can be published on my account, yeah, and it will be visible to me only. If I want it to be visible to you guys, like to all the participants of 3 weeks, then I need to share this link to you. Like this video can be visible to whom only, whom have this video's link only. Anyone with the video link can watch your video. So only those person can watch who have the link of this video. So basically, if I'm uploading this, I have only the right to take this link and need to share with anyone. So if I'm sharing to the persons, only they can watch. Otherwise, none can come to my account and can't watch. Clear? Only the part of public schedules and private for some time. How to do it? Public schedule and private for some time. How to do it? Actually, your question is not clear to me. Like, what do you want to do? Publicly you want to schedule it, and private for some time. So for that reason you don't need to go for like, you, if you want it private for some time, you have to just go to private and you have to just click on save button. Then once you have uploaded any of the video, you have that option that you can edit it anytime. For example, you have taken this video privately for a week. Now you feel that it should be uploaded publicly, right? So what you can do, like, you have to come to this video again, then click on edit button, then it need to be changed from private to publicly. You can't set the count the scheduling part for this public. You have to do it manually once you have uploaded. I guess this is the answer of your question. Got it? Okay. What topics likely to be covered today, which actually I have already told in the last session as well, and I have already told in this at the starting of the session. In the last class yesterday, we have left with these 3 points. So I am just trying to completing it before moving ahead. And the topic of today, as you can just simply open the syllabus file. Just open this. Which day, on which day we are? We are on day 12th, right? The topic is fundamentals of AI powered marketing, where we will cover AI tool for social media scheduling and design, AI copywriting tools, and using AI for competitor analysis and trend forecasting. So basically, for scheduling the social media or something, that we will cover today. For copywriting, we have already covered in the content writing wala day. You can watch it, where in day 6 or day 5th we have covered all those tools related to copywriting. So we have covered. And एक second. Next, we have AI for competitor analysis and trend forecasting. So we have covered SpyFu tool for having a analysis of competitors and what is the trend they are doing. So we have covered these two points, last, second, and third point earlier. And today we have to cover AI for tools for social media scheduling and design. And but as we have promised, we will teach you more than this that is given in syllabus. So I have more and more AI tools that is helpful for you. So I'm just sharing that, right? Now is it clear to everyone what is the topic of today? Now we have completed YouTube, but before moving ahead, I just want to know, is there any doubt related to YouTube? Just 5 minutes you have. If you have any doubt, then bring out. Otherwise, we'll have to move to AI tools. How to go
Good
to
evening, ma'am.
studio of YouTube for this? What happened basically? You have to just go to this icon. Then you can see this YouTube studio option that is given here. Hanya, which tool you are using? Like, you are not able to generate faceless video.
Ma'am, I'm using the first tool, AI Faceless Video.
You are saying about Hagen AI avatar, right?
No, ma'am. Faceless video.
AI
AI
faceless
faceless.
video.
Yeah.
Like, what? Have you created any video
Ma'am,
before?
the problem is there are three sections, right? Category, prompt, and script.
Yes,
So
yes, yes.
whatever I'm entering in script is showing the same thing in prompt. So if I minimize or maximize it, changes are being made in both the sections. So
Like,
I again,
if you have created one video, then it will not be like access to you to create more than one. Actually, what is prompt and script? Prompt are something like you are giving a prompt to AI tool, like suggestions or the ideas or the concept about the video. And under the script, you have to give the exact script. The character should say, "Hello, I am Nancy Dilawar. I am your teacher." So this is the exact script that you have to give under the script section, and under the prompt, you have to give a concept and the idea only.
Mm, yes, ma'am, but in this case, whenever I try to change something in the prompt, the same is appearing in script as well. Like you
See,
can't
if you
make changes for each.
actually like you have generated one video now, but
Yes, ma'am.
after generating that you want to make it change, then it would not be possible. This thing I've already told you in the last class. Like I have created one video, now I don't have any access to generate more than one. So this is the only one video option that is available to you there only. So for that reason I am going to tell you more and more AI tools.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, I didn't generate a video. I was about to generate a video, but the video itself is just processing. It's not generating at all.
Sorry.
I was about to generate a video. I didn't actually generate a video, but while I was generating it, whenever I try to change something in prompt, the script is
Mm-hmm.
also being, and whenever I try to change
See,
something in
can
prompt,
you show me your screen at the end of the class, like while after completing about today's topic, right? I'll give you time after 7:30 as well. So just bring out your doubt at the end related to this. I just want to see your screen, and then I need to check what your question is exactly.
okay, ma'am, sure, ma'am, fine.
Sure.
Uh,
Okay.
m- Ma'am, just a small query. How can we schedule the premiere for multiple videos? Say, for example, I have shooted for about 10 to 12 videos as of now, and I want to schedule it for every week release. So, how can I do that at the same time? Like multiple videos to premiere every week?
But like it is something that is very inappropriate. Like you are scheduling all the video at the same time only. It is
Yes,
very
ma'am.
inappropriate. Now you have to give a different time for different video.
No, ma'am. My point is, say, for example, today is Saturday, and
Yes.
every Saturday at 6 p.m., I want to release each video of my 12
Yes,
short
then you
videos.
can schedule. Then you can schedule. Then there is no
For
problem.
that, for that, every week should I schedule each and every video, or at a time I can schedule the different dates and set the timing in the same uh,
Yes, yes, yes. It's
preparation.
available like for a month. For a
Yeah.
month, in a month, like even I just want to schedule for 6 months basically. If I have the
Mm,
video of 6 months, so I can schedule for each Saturday. There is no
yeah.
problem.
Mm. But my query is for that, every week should I sit and schedule it, or today I have shot the videos and today I'm sitting in front of my desk and I'm scheduling it for premiering. So at a time, I can schedule all the 12 videos for 6 months or 3 months gap. I hope you're not understanding the question, ma'am. Okay, let me rephrase it. Today, I've shot 12 videos and I want every Saturday 6 p.m. to be premiered in the YouTube. For
Okay.
that, every week, each and every video, should I sit and schedule it? Or at a time, I can schedule all the 12 videos for the upcoming every Saturday, for upcoming 12 Saturdays in one go.
This is what I'm saying. Yes, you can do at one time. Like right now, you can upload 12 videos for
Mm-hmm.
different Saturdays.
Okay, ma'am.
This is the
Can you
option.
just give a short clipping regarding that? I mean, any brief about the same logic?
No, this is a simple option that you are asking. Actually, what happens if you are taking any video and scheduling it for, like you have given like, just take an example, 20th June, and then
Okay.
you want to schedule at 25th June, then 30th June, in at the gap of each 5 days. So you can
Okay.
schedule at single time, but you
Okay.
have to just give different dates only. That's it.
Okay, so first I need to upload it to my list and then I have to schedule it. That's all.
Yes, yes, yes.
So every week it will just keep on airing on its own.
Auto published. It will be auto published
Okay,
according to
ma'am.
the
Thank
time
you.
you
Thank
have
you.
given. In the unlisted, it says anyone who is the link is actually in the unlisted one. I hope, Karan, it's clear to you.
Not exactly, ma'am. You were saying that in private mode, if I add your email ID, only then you can see it. In
Yes,
unlisted, anybody who has the link can see it. So
yes.
will it work with the link or without the link in private mode, or how's it? I did not
See,
fully get
basically,
that.
what happens now? This is upon you. Like, if you have that enough time that you want to share that link to each and every person, or even you want to add the nail, so this is upon you. All those these two are same. Basically, private settings and the what was that, unlisted, that is something same. Like, you can make your video visible to specific persons only, right? The working is same, but the difference is, if you have the list of their Gmail IDs, then you can go for private one. If you don't have any Gmail ID and you have enough time, like you can share it privately, then you have to go for unlisted.
So in private, email ID is compulsory. In unlisted, the link will do.
Yes, yes, yes. Working is
Oh.
same, but the kind of pattern is different.
No, because in private, if I now let's say for example, I have put it in private mode and I've added your email ID,
Hmm.
right? But I've not
I
added
will be
Pranav's.
notified via email, like I have been added as in a private viewer of this particular video by your name, and your channel name will
Correct.
be there.
I'm just giving you an example. Just help me understand this. Now I added your email ID, but I've not added Akash's email ID,
Hmm.
right? Which means you cannot forward it to him to see that because his
Yes, I
email ID is
can
not
forward.
included. Whereas in
Exactly.
unlisted, if I send you the link, you can still send him the link and he can watch
Yes,
it.
yes,
That's the
yes.
difference,
This
right?
this is the this is also the main thing that you have to keep in mind. Yes, yes, you are right.
Okay, got it. Thanks.
Okay, Gaurav. Day 11 topic monetization methods for Instagram. No, there is where there is written on day 11th. Acha, day 11th you are talking.
Ma'am, we
Monetization methods
feel
for
maybe
YouTube
the
and Instagram.
Instagram part was not covered sufficiently.
Okay, okay. Actually, what happens? They monetization method for YouTube and Instagram, that I've already told you. Instagram part is something kind of with the examples. Like I've
Huh?
already told you, there is no a direct earning through Instagram. There is a earning that is indirect, and I've already told you about the subscription that is aligned, like you Instagram is aligned here just to show the examples now, like how it can get monetized. And I have already told you, like if you have more than 10K subscribers, then you will be have that subscription wala option, where like people can subscribe your account and they can watch your exclusive content by purchasing that membership or the subscriptions, like 49 per month they have to purchase. So this is the earning, this is the monetization method that is available on Instagram. Otherwise there is no direct monetization method on Instagram. I've already told all these are indirect, where like people can have a collaboration, or can create an influencer page or something, that I've already discussed. Yes, Manish, you have to verify if you are going to use any custom YouTube thumbnail or want to go live or something, then you have to verify. Credit get over with one or two videos. Can we have Sista wala AI tool where we can? Yes, I'm coming to that. How to avoid copyright infringements? Actually, what happens? You have to make your a video copyright free before publishing, because that option is given under checks. Like you can check is there any copyright or something. If you feel like is there any copyright in some musics or something, then it can be visible to you before publishing it, and you have to just avoid that part. At a time you can do, ma'am, what is scheduling is like, Ramya, what scheduling you are talking about, the scheduling the YouTube video? Yes, Neha, it will be visible to you, like you can edit anytime, but not all the option, but specific options will be there after uploading. Now I guess we have done with the YouTube part, and if you still have any doubts, then you can come up after today's session. Now I'm moving forward. One tool that I need to show you, that is Render Forest. This is the main tool that you can use just to make your intro and outro of your YouTube logos or something. Like here, I'm just taking it for logo animation. Now you have to just click render forest and need to click on logo animation. I'm just clicking on it, and this is the tool basically that is available for free users, but there is some drawbacks as well, as I've already discussed. What happened actually at some time? Yes, yes, no doubt. So basically, this render forest is the best tool, but sometimes it will work, but sometimes it will not work. So we have to check right now it is working. If it's not working, then we have to leave it for some hours. Then we have to come back and it will start again. So this is the thing that you can face. I've already told you before, using it. So, but I have written renderforest.com on Google, and the first slide was their logo animation. I just wanted to teach you logo animation with the help of this tool, or even you can have a browse about all these templates. Are like you can create any kind of YouTube intros, gaming intros, 3D logo reveals, all these animation videos as well. Like you can have a complete video about this as per your choice. Like the working will be same, like video editing option is there, you can create any kind of presentation, social media videos and something. So here I'm just choosing it for intros and logos for YouTube or anything basically. So I'm just taking all the intros and logos of this. You have to avoid this premium template, you have to just go for free template that is available right here. Just scroll it down. Here you have the option to take the size, like you want your video to be in portrait, widescreen or square. For example, I'm just taking it for shorts or some reels. So all these can be visible to you. If I'm just taking it for widescreen or all sizes, then I have to click on this. Now I'm just searching that is free and that is good as well. For example, I'm just taking this one. You can open any of the templates and you can watch like how it will work. I'm just going to play it, and again like this is how it will appear. So this is something that is for logo reveal. So here I'm just taking this one and just I'm clicking on create now button. It will take few minutes and then will take you to the edit part of this. Here you can see logo should be uploaded by you and your tagline and description should be there. So basically what happened, if I'm clicking on it logo, here you will be able to see you can upload your own files. So all these files I've already uploaded. So I'm just taking DD's logo right here. You can upload your own from here, and from my files you have to just simply click on it and you will be able to see all those options like Canva as. Now I'm just I want to add the tagline like is the digital Dronacharya. I just need to write, and even you can specify the description as well. That's it. So this is the main thing that I have taken from any templates and just changed my logo and the icon. Now I just need to click on export button, then it will ask me to sign up. And the main thing that I've already told you, sometimes it will work, sometimes it will not work. Now what they are saying, switch your templates in a click. Here even you can play. It will take few minutes to render, and then it can be visible to you. I guess it's clear to everyone. Nisha, can we take YouTube queries at the end now? The animation you selected didn't appear on ready. I'm repeating. It will take like it's been done. Here you can see the green tick. Now we have to see it again. Now we have to watch. Right here, the logo is not as visible. For that reason, it's not completely clear. But you can take any image that is clear, any logo which is very clear, and you can go. Basically, repeating the same thing again, you have to just go to Google, write render forest, and a lot of options will be there. I'm just taking it for logo revelations only or logo animations. Here you can see a lot of templates you have to select. You have the option to watch any of the template. If you feel like this is okay, then you have to just come to this option. Here you will be able to set your own logo from the upload section. So I've just taken this DD's logo, which is not completely clear, so that for that reason it's not showing good one. And by clicking on this export button, you can get it in your downloads. And one drawback is here is like you can, the logo is there, you can completely erase this or erase this. Right now, tell me, is it clear to everyone? Is there any doubt related to?
Ma'am, is there any credit system for this, like we see in other AI apps in Canva?
Just go. Yes. Voice breaking. Is this video can be edited in Canva? Yes, you can take it to Canva and it can be edited, but the animation can't be edited. Basically, you can add. It's for YouTube or any other app. I've already told you like there is multiple formats available. Widescape is there, portrait is there, and square is there. Like portrait you can use for Facebook Reels, Facebook Stories, Instagram Reels, and Instagram's stories, and for YouTube as well if you are using widescape, landscape, or portrait. No, there is no credit system. It is free for lifetime. No credit system like anything. Okay, so we have completed one
Ma'am,
thing, that is
ma'am,
render.
one question, please. You
Yeah.
selected the animation, but where did you save the animation? How did you get it on your the screen?
So basically, what happens? You have to click on this play button. It will start rendering, like the word is used instead of processing. It will take few minutes just to process your logo into the template that you have taken, and then by clicking on the play button, it will be visible to you. Right? Clear? Now, coming to next that we need to clear or understand is Adobe's scheduler. Like the first point that is given in day 12th, AI tool for social media scheduling. So for social media scheduling is like from one platform you can schedule your content to multiple social media, but obviously there will be some limitations, so we have to check what kind of limitations will be there. So just write down the keyword Adobe Scheduler is the AI tool or the tool basically that will help you to schedule your content for social medias. So right now I'm just opening it. Again, free to use, no credit card required, so it's free to use. I need to just click on start now button. Continue with my account. Here you need to connect your socials, right? Here you need to schedule your post from here. Connect your socials. schedule your post. So this can be done. Basically, what is content calendar? Content calendar is something which means, like, if you have any, just taking the example of Tech Skills Academy, like, where I am sharing the content related to tech or digital marketing, basically. So I am uploading my reels and my shorts on YouTube, or even I'm uploading it on Instagram and Facebook as well. So I want my content to be, specified. If I'm hiring someone for video creation, so I need a proper content calendar from that person, like what content you gonna be upload in the next month, in next week, or anything. So this can be created through this. Here you can see the schedule option is there. Like, if I want on 1st June, 1st June is first day of Pride month, so you can have a lot of templates related to this. Once you will click on it, you will be able to see lot of templates related to it. Then it's been given to you, like you can have a creator spotlight, limited time offer related to that. All these are given just to give you a review, or have a quick revision about the calendar. Content calendar is something where you have specified this content should be uploaded on Monday, this content should be uploaded on Tuesday. So on the daily basis, with the weekly or the monthly calendar can be created by you by using Chat GPT. Like, once you will go on Chat GPT, you can specify, like, create a weekly content calendar. So for example, I'm just taking weekly. Here you can write monthly as well. Weekly content calendar for my branch Tech Skills Academy, where I am sharing content related to like digital marketing and AI. Just taking an example here. Create a weekly content calendar for my brand tech skill academy, where I'm sharing content related to this for my Instagram account. Here I need to specify for my Instagram account, including reels and post. I want a content calendar where it should be included, like, reels as well and static post as well. So here you need to specify what you exactly want in your content calendar, right? Here I just need to click on enter button, then it will. Or for some other reference, you can give your Instagram link or your website link, just for references as well. It will give you a more precise then. Here you can see a weekly content has been created for Tech Skill Academy. Monday, a reel should be there. AI tool of the week, where caption idea is this AI tool will save your hours. If I want a specific content theme or content idea, even I can specify this, like, generate the content idea of Monday in very elaboration form, then it can be generated. Then Tuesday, the post should be there related to tips browser, related to SEO or social media. So all these ideas will be generated by this. So this is a content calendar that you can use. Right now, what happened here, I'm just taking manage connections, like how many social media can be connected here. I can connect Facebook, I can connect Twitter, I can connect Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, TikTok. So only all these options I have been given. If I want to add more channels than this, then I have to purchase Go Premium. So right now I'm not taking it somewhere. So all these options can be connected, like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn, or Pinterest as well. So this can be connected, and I have to just upload to this Adobe Scheduler. It can automatically be uploaded to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn simultaneously. Here I'm just connecting my Instagram just to show you a reference, like how it can be. If I need to click on this, then I need to have my Facebook profile. I just need to click on connect via Facebook. Here you need to just write your ID and then you need to just log in. Here I'm not completely logging it. So I guess it's available to you what kind of content you need to. Like you want to have new post on these social medias, you have to upload any image. For example, you want to upload any reel. So you have to take that reel here, or you need to click on this browse button. From your device, I just want to browse any of the content. See this poster I want to upload on all social media platform including Insta, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn or Pinterest. Here I need to just click on upload button. Here I can add more than one image as well. Here you can write any of the captions, or you can use this generate button to use AI. Like AI will help you to generate the captions. Here you can mention, you can use the emojis, right? Once you here you can add alt text. Then you again you have three options, like you want to schedule, you don't want it to be published right now, you can give a proper scheduling. Then publish now, it will be published right now. Then you want to take it in draft only, then you can take it in. And this is how you can select by clicking on the schedule button, or if you are going to publish it right now, then you just need to click on publish now button. Whatever the accounts you have connected, it will be uploaded to all accounts in single click. Now tell me, is it clear? Ma'am, can you please share the link for this Adobe Calendar? uh, which link exactly you are talking? Like you just need to go to ChatGPT to create the content calendar, and you can upload accordingly. Like on Sunday you want to upload any content, then you need to go to new button, just click to post button, and if you have selected the 1 June Sunday, then it will be appear, it will be there like this content has been scheduled, this content has been scheduled. And this is how your monthly or the weekly content can be. Adobe Calendar, the window you are showing. Okay, see what happens basically. You see Adobe Express is a tool where you can upload any of the social media, like Canva it is given, so you can go for this as well. Then you need to just click on this your stuff, whatever the file and the projects you have created it. Then we have templates option. Like Canva, some of the templates will be visible and you can design accordingly, same as Canva. But one thing that is add on here is schedule option, where you can just connect more of your social media, more than two, and you can click on this new button. So here I'm just sharing this link if you have asked. Otherwise it's clear to everyone, right? So we have covered the part of day 12, that is AI tools for schedule, media scheduling and designing as well. As I've already told you, from the template section you can design as well. So we have covered render forest, right? We have many more tools, so according to the time we have to cover each and every tool.
Ma'am, if you
First,
please open those links, ma'am. Like actually, like I saw you put it on some 25, 27 and all. Like are they openable links?
open up the links mean like what your question is.
No, ma'am. Like you put some favorite 5 books and all those things. So are they links which can be opened? So that's the thing.
Related to which you are talking, like
No, ma'am.
still.
In the content scheduler. Ma'am, in the content scheduler, you put few things, right? Like how do we? Yes, ma'am.
Can you please write your query in chat box? Exactly, I'm not getting what you want to ask.
Ma'am, in Adobe Calendar, in the scheduler which you were showing, there were some links given against the dates. If you just open the Adobe Express tab, please.
Yes, I'm just opening. Yes.
So you see
All
on
the links are
Monday
there.
20. Yeah.
So all these are basically references given to you. So this is how, like, you share your top favorite books related to your target audience and explain why they are essential. So all these are kind of suggestions to you, just to show how it works. If I have added this with caption, then it can be visible to each and everyone. So this is something like you can add on Monday like this, on Wednesday a progress update or something. Then you can have a competition or a giveaway. So all these are just examples or suggestions. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. Tools for SEO, Sneha, we have already covered. SpyFu is the tool for SEO. No, Ananya, there is no issues. You can watch out the previous tools or previous video from recording. How to upload ChatGPT content, ChatGPT calendar to Adobe Scheduler. No, we can't go for that. Actually, what happens? Explaining it again. If you are going to post any, I need to take new draft post just to show how it works. See, for example, I've taken this images from here. See, this is the image that I've taken, and whatever the content I have taken, and I need to schedule it to say out the day like 30th. On 30th, 6 2025, I just want to add in draft. So here we need to go to 30th. See, here you can see. So it's automatically been created. It's automatically been created once you will click on each and every element. So it will be created by you. But content calendar that is generated by ChatGPT will give you an idea only. You have to add each and everything, and this is how it can be added. Clear now? Now coming back to the next topic that we have to cover today is Pixverse. This is the best tool. Pixverse. Pixverse is a tool from where you can generate video from the text. Like you can make animation in any of your image basically. So what happens? You have to give any of the image and you have to write about it. What kind of transitions and what kind of changes that you want in that. Here I need to just upload any of the image. See, I'm taking the example of this person. I want this person to walk out. So I have to describe the content that you want to create. So I need to write the person should walk straight and the clouds should move and the building lights should flicker. So this is something that I'm giving just for example. So this is how you can create, and here you need to set like the seconds, like 5 second or 8 second. Then we have camera, like horizontal, left, right, what you exactly want. You can specify this. Here I'm just clicking for a create button. You can select this style, like in anime style, 3D animation, comic, clay, or the exact that you want. So you can select, otherwise you can just keep it as it is. Right here you can see we have basic credits, and if I'm using it, 20 will be used by me. Here you can specify high quality video generation, faster speed, better stability video or something you can change, and this is how your credits can also be changed. So this is the less one where R20. Here I need to just click on this create button. It will take few minutes and then we'll start generating, and there is a limit of basically credits, but it is something that is can be upgraded monthly or something. Some limits will be there. So it's been created. Now I need to just click on it. Here you can see the clouds are moving, lights are flickering, and the sun is walking. And 5-second video I've created. Now I just need to click on this download button. So this is something from text to video you can create. See, in free actually, where it was. If you want it to be extended, then you need to just click on this extend button, and you can again describe, and again your 20 credits will be used. So just taking it back. Oh, sorry. So here you can see seconds are up to 8-second video you can generate up to 8 seconds. So you can use this video like mine asset or mine videos we can watch. This is the video that I've already generated. Again, the sound is there. You can use this sound button. So this is something that you can create, but I have only used some few features. You can go for templates as well. Like all these templates will be visible to you. Then we have transitions. If you want to add, you can add two images like here, and you can add what kind of transitions you want to add in between the first frame and the last frame. Then we have fusion option. Again, you can add multiple images and up to 1 to 3 subjects or background and references, and describe the content that you would like to create. Then we have extend option. Again, you want to extend it. Then we have sound one. You can describe the sound, like I have uploaded this image and I have described the sound of waves hitting the shore. So this video has been created. Then we have speech. Like you can upload any of the video, and then by this you can give a lip sync speech basically, and then recite option, then character option, all these are there. So this is something that can be created through Pixverse. Now tell me, is it clear to everyone? All these are, free tool. Again, repeating the same thing. All these are free, so obviously there will be some drawbacks. We can use it wisely. Like we can have more than one Gmail IDs just to use all these things. Yes, again, it can be downloaded and it can be taken to the Canva. Now, third tool that we have is 11 Labs. It is one of the best tool for generating voiceover. Like if you are feeling any kind of problem in generating text to speech, this is the best free tool, and there is no limits and there is no nothing. This is the best tool for generate real voice. Here you can write down your text and then it can be generated in speech. Then we have speech to text. You have completely MP3 speech and you want to generate it into text. Then we have conversational AI dubbing, voice cloning, or all these options will be there. But text to speech is the best and free option that is available here. So you can write your own script. Just taking an example, I just want to add, say, this is the content that I need to take to 11 labs. I can just see the 11 labs voice generator can deliver high quality human like speech in 32 languages. So it is perfect for audio books or video something. So I've just taken as reference. By clicking it, you can just simplify the language. Hindi language will be there. This is something that you can listen use by clicking on this play button. Firstly, I need to sign up. If I have taken this Hindi, you can see it's automatically been taken into Hindi language. Actually, this is the best for creating any YouTube faceless videos or any short video for the YouTube. because where you can see such kind of horror videos or the informational videos has been taken. So this is the best tool. You have to just go to download button, and in few minutes you will be able to, by clicking on sign up button, then after clicking on sign up button you will be able to download this. Now tell me, is it clear to everyone what is 11 lab? All these are best tool actually.
I'm going to repeat that 11 lab. I'm like actually like how to give the speech prompt and all those things.
See, basically, what you have to do, you have to just open the 11 labs. You will be able to see this option, text to speech, speech to text, where you can upload any of the speech, and you just want to create text through this. So I'm just using it for text to speech. You have to write about this. So it's been, you can write in English as well, like मेरा नाम नैन्सी दिलावर है. So this can also be written in English. You have to just specify here like what language you want to take. It can, again you need to select this like मेरा नाम नैन्सी है. You can just simply play it and listen, or it can be downloaded.
Okay, ma'am.
Perfect. So this is the best, and you have multiple 32 languages related to this. The next tool that we have to, all these tools will be short and a quick solution to your problem. We have done 11 labs, then we have done Adobe Scheduler, Pixverse we have covered, then we have AI Business Studio we have also covered, Render Forest we have covered, Photopea we have also covered. One more tool is, just wait for 2 minutes, all right? Just wait for 2 minutes. In the same, have you covered Cutout Pro?
Yes.
We have covered now. Okay. Have we covered Animate from Audio? No. Okay.
No.
So
Ma'am.
okay,
No,
thank
ma'am,
you.
we haven't.
No.
We haven't covered.
Okay. So just write down the keyword animate from audio, and then you will be able to see animate your voice for free. So what is, again, this is the best tool, free to use. Again, I'm coming back to Adobe Express. So Adobe Express will give you a lot of options. Even you can go watch all the topics that's been given by this, like Instagram story, all these can be created. You can generate meme as well. So kind of memes template will be there, poster, brochure, menu card, or QR code maker will be there. Related to prints, flyer, poster card, invitation, business card, or t-shirts. Then we have content planning and scheduler, profile picture and presentation. So all these has been given by this agent. And once you will click on this AI button, then you can see generate template, text effect, generate image, remove BG, animate characters, caption video, and remove video background. So all these has been given under the AI section. So this is something that you can explore by your own. Right now I'm just taking the keyword animate your audio. You you have to just click on this Start Now button. Right, once you will click on animate your audio option, here you will be able to watch three sections: character, background, and size. Just wait. Yes, Nisha, we can remove a particular object from using this. Like you can see one option that I've already told you under AI that is given. Uh, I can show it again. First, you will click on it, then you can see this AI button from where you can remove the background, remove the video background. Right, so once you will click on animate from audio, here you will be able to watch out three options will be there: character, background, and size. Like the character that you want to take this, this particular tool can be used to generate such kind of shots and funny reels or something, and the educational can also be created, or the kids story or something that can be used just to make your channel monetize by this. Here you can take any of the character, you can increase or decrease the size. We have many more characters available like this. Here I am taking this one. Many more options will be there. You can just create any of the story through this. I guess it's visible to you. Many characters are available, so such kind of characters you can take just to create, funny or motivational or inspirational video. So just take an example. I've taken this character, and you can just simplify as well, like new people, young people, professional people. You can specify. Second option we have is the background, like which background like you want to add, like this minimalist street, this night sky landings, rainfire or something. Even you can see the category will be there, such kind, like you want to have a classroom background, then you need to select this school interior or classroom board or something. You have option to upload your own background as well, so you can upload that. So we have multiple options related to this. Then we have size one option next. Like if you want to create a portrait square size, then you need to, if you want to create any story or reels, then you need to take this size. Then we have square one. If you want to create it for YouTube video, then you need to just take this landscape one. Then we have IGTV or something. So sizes option is there, background, and then we have character one. But what it means, like you can add more than one slides. Like one slide will be prepared by you only. Right? It's been clear. Then we have record your characters dialogue or browse. If I'm clicking on this record button, so I can just simply record whatever I'm speaking right now and can give speech to this particular character. But if I have if I have recorded one, so I can just click on this browse button and I can give it to it. So you have that mp3 files or something. This video can be created up to 2 minutes and 1 GB max per upload, like up to 2 minute uh, uh, what said, like audio can be imported here. You just need to click on enhance, then you will be able to download this. Here I'm just recording. Hello everyone, we are here for the 3 week summer boot camp that is organized by NSME. See, this is the script audio that I have taken. Now it have been recorded. It will be synced with this particular character. It will take few minutes, then this video can be generated. You will be able to see that download option, computing lip sync. So this is the best thing, like in minutes your lip sync will be there, and you can just keep it download. And if you want to add many more characters and want to create a proper story, Then you have to download each slide, and you can take it to Canva and or any other tool. Just simply merge this just to create a proper story. I guess it's clear to everyone. Yes, it's lip sync is there. No, we can't add more than one character. Only one character will be there. You have to download. You have to take any other background and second character. Then you have to give second another speech. You can just simply download each and every character's part, and then you can take any of the tool just to merge all the clips.
How to download, madam? How to download?
Yes, I'm coming to that. Just wait. Where we were. Yes. So here I can just simply play this. See, right here you can see 10.5 seconds video has been created. So I can upload up to 2 minute. Up to 2 minute video that can be created. Now I just need to click on this download button only, and it's been prepared.
Ma'am, I have a small doubt, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, like actually, for doing this, do we have to do it from like actually two apps of the same Adobe, or is it possible in a single thing, ma'am?
Like,
Ma'am, for that,
please.
yes, ma'am, for that animate, you have to do only from a single website, right? Like we don't have to like merge from one website to the other and all that. That's not required, right?
See, actually, you have to take any of the character and you have to give that speech that will be downloaded by you. Now you can take any other character and can give another speech. Then again, you have to use any of the other two. Not this animate from audio. Adobe Express will not help you. Or even you can take it to create or you can merge. Simply just go to Canva and upload all those. Please mute yourself. Whoever is talking. Just wait, I need to check. Please, can you ask your queries in chat box only because it's creating kind of mess in class. Any other doubts? No? Actually, I have a list of AI tools. According to time, like I can bring out all of the tools. How to animate AI Adobe? Uh, could you please tell how to animate AI Adobe means? If you want it to be animated, sorry. Unfortunately, I need to press. You can't add such kind of animations in it. Only this part is available to you. You can't add animations or something. See, now tell me, is there any doubt to anyone related to anything?
No, ma'am.
Pixverse tool, can we select photos from gallery and instead of picking from default templates? Yes, you have this option. If you are coming to this, first option that is given here, like this photo option, you have that option. You can take any of your own image. If you want you to, move something, then you can take. Yes, Nisha, but before I want the other to ask first, then I will give you time. But you have asked something. Now, yes, Nisha, you can come up with your doubt. Yes, we have covered with today's tool. So now you have doubts related to anything. What is negotiating partnerships in YouTube? And there is an option to get our content license so that it is not copied by other influencers. Yes, actually, what happens if you want to have a negotiating? What is basically negotiating partnerships? For example, I have used one of the music, that is licensed by someone. For example, XYZ music factory, a music industry have bring out that music, and I have used that music in my video. Now I want to have a negotiating partnership with them, like whatever the earning will be there for me, or even I can have a fix. So according to me, I can have that partnership with them, like I'll pay you this much amount, or I will pay you according to the earning of that video. So this can be the partnership between us. Then they can give me access, or they can give me license to use that music with their consent, and then YouTube will not show any copyright or something on my that video. So this is something that is negotiating partnership is. And yes, if you want to get your content be licensed, like other can't use this, so you have to talk to any agent. And there are so many sites basically, like there is the if I want to register any company, then I need to take trademark and get registered my brand, so that like none other can take that business name or brand name. So the same thing that you have to go for this, you have to take license from the YouTube agents or something, where you can take copyright of your video. Can it done with the YouTube official? Yes, you have to watch out the process. I didn't try it before, but yes, you can watch take it from the YouTube official as well. Like once you will come to that contact support option, they will give you a proper detail about this. Like it is very easy to take contact support of YouTube. They will guide you how you can go. Any other doubt to anyone? Few more AI tools. Actually, I have, but we have covered this much tools, so this is enough for now. Any other doubt to anyone? Okay, what is the homework? Yes, this is the interesting thing. Uh, Actually, you have to complete whatever I have covered related to YouTube. You have to upload if you have created any of the channel just for the understanding all these concepts. So you can upload any of the video over it, and you can just make it publish or some unlisted or something. And whatever AI tools we have covered in today's session, you have to just practice over that and bring out one of your creative or video related to that. AI tools to generate 3 minute video. No, Ananya, actually there is nothing that is available. But whatever tools we have created to generate videos, you can watch out. Is there any possibility to generate more than 2 minute or like 3 minute? How to replace object, ma'am? Not background in video. You are saying, right? Actually, I don't have any free tool right now, but I can. If you feel like you just want to have this AI tool, just go to Google, and even you can just go to ChatGPT and just write your query, like free tool to erase any object from video. Just write to Google. This is the main thing that you have to always keep in your mind. If you feel like you want to have this AI tool, just go to Google and ChatGPT. It will be visible to you. Several free online tools and apps can remove objects from videos. Some popular options include this one. Just open this and create free video now. You can just simply go for this. All these free AI tools like AI talking photo, AI text to video, AI image to video, AI URL to video, video enhancer, dance photo, all these options are giving to you. All these AI videos are there. I just need to check the main, like AI object remover, AI background clothes changer, background remover, Studio Ghibli filter, text to speech, audio to text. There is nothing related to that. Just open any of it and you will be able to watch it. Remove objects from video online for free. This is the best tool that you can use. Clipfly. I need to show it you. See, I'm just going to upload any of the video that I have in my laptop just to show it. Just wait for 2 minutes, right? Again, there is credit system. Only 15 credits are available. I don't have any video right now. See, there is one Kua Pujan's invitation right now. I have, so I'm just taking it. Remove full video. 10 credit ones will be used. See, I just want to add this April, like 6th April 2025 Sunday. So I'm just removing this from here. Right. I can trigger the video. It will take few minutes and then I hope it will remove. And if you are using any of the tool, na, just come to this option. You can see lot of options will be there. Actually, Karan, I am sharing you the best thing that sharing you right now. Na? If you feel like you want to generate it like this, just go to Google and ChatGPT and just write your problem, what you want to do, and there are a lot of AI free tools available. So basically, you have to just understand. You have to just keep your research work strong. Then you can see any AI tool for dosing and data analytics. No, right now I don't have any. Again, you can use. Sujit, it's available for hold. See, here you can see it's perfectly cleared. No option is there. I need to just click this video right here. Even I don't need to use this credits. I can just simply click on it and click on this save video as button and I can keep it safe. Click fly. Clear? Clear to everyone? Now just share your experience about the today's session. How's the today's session, guys?
It was fantastic one, especially the YouTube part, which I own a YouTube channel for more than 15 years, and you told a very good new information, so it guided me to a very new criteria. Thank you so much. It was very nice. And also
Thank
very
you.
good.
Thank you so much.
Ma'am, I was actually asking if you actually have a written list of AI tools which you might want to share with us so that we can refer that, because as of today there are lots and lots of AI tools which have come up, and it's
Yes,
like
yes, we have lot of AI tools. This is the best tool that we have covered in these 3 weeks basically. And one more thing that I need to share is 123apps.com. Once you will click on this, like 123apps.com, some of the free tools related to video, like video editor, screen recorder, text to speech, merge videos, add audio to video, trim video, all these options is related just to audio. Then we have sorry, related to video here. Then we have audio tools. If we want to change the speed, change the volume, trim the audio, reverse audio equalizer, change the pitch or something. Then we have PDF tools, like splitting, merging or something. Then we have converter, audio converter, image converter, archive, font, or all these things. So this is the tool that you can just write it down in your notebooks, 123apps.com, but it's related just for merging or something. Or otherwise, you have the best tool, that is Google and ChatGPT. Just strong your research work and you will be able to watch many more AI tools. Clear?
Madam, please show once list again.
Sorry?
और लिस्ट जो दिखा रहे थे एक बार और दिखा दीजिए.
Sir, just write here down in your notebook 123apps.com. This is the keyword that you have to write in your notebook 123apps.com.
So 123app.com.
Yes.
Madam, is there any possibilities of starting advanced digital marketing course, madam?
Actually, like we are offering this, but like with the collaboration of MSME, we are here with the 3 week summer boot camp. Only this much syllabus has been covered, but you can stay connected with us. Like we will share so many AI tools on our Instagram or Facebook account. So you can stay connected with us if we have many more other sessions related to this. So you can join.
Please do inform me, madam.
Yes, yes.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much. It's our pleasure. Like you are liking the session, so it's a great thing that I have heard today. Uh, Thank you. Most welcome, everyone. Shall we leave? Okay. Bye bye, everyone. We'll meet in the next class on Monday. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you so much.